the real numbers uv is equal to gij ui uj. ओके, देखो इतने पार्ट को, इस पार्ट को सोल्व करने पे क्या आएगा, uj सॉरी दिस इज vj. इतने पार्ट को सोल्व करने पे क्या आएगा, what we will get, we are calling this, I will be cancelled out, so uj will be there and vj. When we have a contravariant tensor and covariant tensor and we are taking inner product of those two, that remains invariant. I already told you can also write this ui vj, no problem. Indices we can change. So this is star, this is called the generalized, this is called generalized inner product of u and v. Okay, note in similar fashion the inner product of two covariant vectors is defined as uv is equal to gij, जो मैट्रिक टेंसर का तो उसका इन्वर्स है, यानी ये वाला जो है ये मैट्रिक टेंसर है, लेकिन ये वाला क्वांटम वेरिएंट मैट्रिक टेंसर है। यू आई वी जे इक्वल टू यू आई यू कैन राइट यू जे वी जे, इसको हम ऐसे भी लिख सकते हैं। ओके, सो वी कैन कंबाइन दिस आल्सो, इसको ऐसे भी लिख सकते हैं यू आई वी आई। सो दिस इज डबल स्टार। Double star is consistent with star. Okay, so these are called inner products. Okay. So what is length? Concept of length. Concept of length. What is that? The length, length is also called norm of an arbitrary vector arbitrary vector. Arbitrary vector can be, it can be contravariant or covariant also. So we do not know is the non-negative real number, this real number. How it is defined? This is v square. V square means you take this VVI. Inner product of B with itself. Okay. So we are doing one example. It will be more clear. Okay. Example. So that under the matrix under the matrix 1 minute. Zero 1 0 0 x1 square for polar coordinates the vectors ui 3.3/5 4/5 x1 and vi -4/5 3/5 xi. Okay. Are orthogonal. Okay. So note first, what is the meaning of orthogonal? What is the meaning of orthogonal? U and V are orthogonal if their inner product UB is equal to Gij Ui Vj, it should be 0. If their inner product is 0, they are called to be orthogonal. Okay. Now come back to your question. Okay. What is norm of U square? Gij Ui Uj. Okay. Because I wrote this one. How to define norm? Norm is norm ये क्या हो जाएगा? नॉर्म ऑफ u का स्क्वायर है. नॉर्म ऑफ u मैंने क्या डिफाइन किया है? अंडर रूट vi का स्क्वायर. ये हो गया, सॉरी, ui. So what is this? ui, that is what? Gij Ui Uj. So what is this? This is 3. Okay. So when we write this now, so how we will write this? It will be written like this way. Gij will be written in a inside thing, like this here. Okay. And Uij will be written this way, 3/5 in a row. 4/5 x 4/5 x1. Okay. And Uj will be written like this way. Same. This is actually this way. Gij. Okay. Ui. Uj का ट्रांसपोज काइंड थिंग. 3/5 4/5 x1. You solve it. What you will get? After solving, you multiply this fact, this. What you will get? 3/5 4/5 x1. 3/5 4/5 x1. So after solving it, what you will get? 9/25 plus 16x1 25x1. The matrix is given matrix, so x1 cannot be non-zero. So that is why we can cut it. So 9/25, 16/25, that is 25/25, that is 1. Okay, so this implies norm of u का square is equal to 1. That means what? Norm of u is 1. Length is always positive. Similarly, we can calculate norm of v will be also 1. u का नॉर्म 1 है, नो v का भी नॉर्म 1 आएगा कैलकुलेट करने पे. नाउ we verify that u and v are orthogonal. So uv is equal to gij ui vj is equal to what? 3/5 4/5 x1 100 x1 स्क्वायर. vj का ट्रांसपोज -4/5 3/5 x1. Solve this part. So what you will get? 3/5 okay. Sorry. Multiply this part. 3/5 4/5 x1. So what you will get after multiplying? So -4/5 3/5 x1. Now you multiply this. This is 12/25 and this is 12/25. x1 upon x1. So this is cancelled. 12 upon 25 plus 12 upon 25. This is 0. Okay. So this implies u and v are orthogonal. Either product 0 are orthogonal. Okay. So note orthogonality depend of course on metric alone and not on polar coordinate system. Okay.